So here we are at the battery. Under the car hood you can see the engine area. And I placed the app on my iPad and I started the app. Good job. I enabled the Bluetooth connection. Then I opened the cover of my battery. And there it is. This is the plus pole and this is the minus pole. These two poles we have to connect by using the BT master. First step, get the red clamp on top of the pole of the red side of the battery and then connect the black side. Good job, as you can see. Now the device will, in my case, automatically reconnect. And if you are going to connect it first time and enable Bluetooth, then go to BT Master app, then connect it by using the BT Master app. And then you can see the current voltage level at your battery. It is 8 voltage. So let's do and have a next test with this device. We're sitting inside the car. And while the Bluetooth connection is enabled, we can sit in the car and have the battery check system in front or under our car hood. This is really nice function, I think. So what's next? We are going to perform a cranking test. That means we have to switch off all electrical components in this car, like radio, lights, etc. And if you're pushing the OK button, you have to start the engine immediately after you're pushing this, okay? And now let's start the engine and have a look. There it is, 1000 rounds per minute. Good job. Neutral drive is enabled, and we are waiting a little bit until we get the value of our cranking test. The cranking voltage, cranking time, and voltage are all available for the cranking test to check if it is normal, as you can see. And here you can see the cranking voltage. It's 10.53 voltage. It is a little bit under the standard. The cranking time you can see, and you can see here the voltage level of the battery in seconds. Oh, this is nice. Here it goes down 14 voltage, then down. This is the start your engine, and it goes up a little bit because of the alternator. So that it is how to check the cranking thing, and you can see the BT Master gets you some information. So let's go back. Here it is. Please, turn the engine on after you push the start button on the app, and then you will get the cranking information of your car. That is a nice and easy thing, as you can see. And there's a memory function too. In the setting mode, you can get memories or a history of testing devices, of your charging test, of your cranking test, and your battery test. Every test will be stored in this app for I think for all the time, or isn't it? Let's check it. If we're getting the power supply of this device, and then we will see that the memories will stay inside the app. For this, we are going to unplug the device, first the red, then the black wire, and you have to get the covers on top of the battery because of security, because of safety first, as you can see, and get the cover back in position. That it is to install it, to deassemble this little tiny awesome device. And you can see I am going to continue using the app. Here you can see nothing is connected, and I can see the memories too. Nice and easy. This will get you information in the future, what your battery status was in the past, of course. Easygoing, nice device. So that it is, how to use it, and I think thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So that it is soon. Nice.